Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a couple of cards that I made using Stamps of Life Card Club of the month. So it was a piece of cake, was the stamp set of the month that I used already. It was a cute set, and it came with the dice because I'm in a Die Hard Club. And I used this small scallop card die set. I got this a few months back from one of the other clubs that she sent to us. And I used this purple called Damson. It was a bit darker than I wanted to. I thought it was lighter than I thought, darker than I thought it was. And I used Cobalt Blue and the R1 for the red. That was mimic the candles. And also I had a paper set I used. But I don't have it here. Do I have it here? Yes, I do. Here's the paper pad I used. And it was called Your Sweet Collection. And as you see, the purple was a bit more different. But nonetheless, it worked. And for the first card I made was this card here. And to my friends, I used some candies and I used the cake. And inside here, it says, you're the sweetest. And I mimicked the candies that I put on here on the front. Just that card. And for my second card, it's a birthday card. And here I used some candles. And I used also another chocolate cake that was in the set. And as you see, these are different. And for the inside, I used Make All Your Wishes Come True. I meant to put some candles in here, but I didn't do that. I'll do that later. But this is my 2 cards for the month. Until next time, like and subscribe. See ya.